So today it's Sunday, so I'm planning for Sri Salem trip. So my tank bag is ready, my Osmo 360, mic mini, the batteries and some recharge for the body. And I've set up my helmet, gloves are also ready. So let's get started. So currently it is 6 p.m. I'm a bit late, but I started towards Sri Salem. And yeah, I'm wearing my gears. I'll be wearing gloves after some time. Yeah, this is my tank bag and my GPS mount. Let the ride get started. Good morning from Hyderabad. So today it's Sunday. I am going towards Sri Salem, and my first pit stop will be VJR Food Center, I think. Yeah, so someone suggested me try the puri keema. Whether it's a chicken keema, I don't know, I have to say. But yeah, that's almost, I think, 80 to 90 kilometer from here. Never seen people jogging in this road, but besides any kind of river, this is the best place for jogging and all this. So this is the LV Nagar highway, Uppal to LV Nagar, and it's currently 6:20 a.m. I'm a bit late, but that's okay, we'll make it on the highways. And last time I went towards Kotapalli reservoir. That's almost 100 plus kilometer, and this bike gave me literally in a single tank 291 kilometers of range. After that the range became 0, and I had another, I think, 1.2 liters of fuel. But why to take risk? That's why I failed. That I can say, like, literally I can do 300 kilometer. And that too on 800cc to be precise. I calculated it come around, I think, 24 kilometer per liter. That's pretty good, right? Last time I got around exactly at range 0 I fueled it, so it had almost 1.6 or 1.7 liter, and at that time I was calculating I got around 25 point something. So people have got 25, 27, 28 max on 800cc on this bike only. And if you ride like a hooligan, forget about the mileage. You need to fill it every I think around 200 kilometer. Okay, let me get out of this city. I'll record once I reach the highway. See ya. Tea update. So a couple riding to Sri Salem from their hefty Honda. I think it is signed 125. So stopped here for a quick tea break. Another 60 kilometer to that VGR food center. So this is Balanagar, where all ISRO centers are there. In this route, while coming, I saw even Skyroot Aerospace. This place is completely developed just because of ISRO. I think 3 or 4 centers are there. And this place is also good, away from city, near to airport. Tea was good here. Irani chai. It took 20 rupees, but it was good. Making chai is also an art, man. Not everyone can make proper chai, and most of them don't like that malai, but I like it. Little bit of malai on top of it. Tastes good. It's currently 7 a.m. and temperature is still 25 degree. Pretty good weather, man. Today weather is very good. The sun has already come up and I'm in my full riding gears. It's great. Roads are good. Anyway, it's a highway, right? So there is no problem in roads. Only within the cities the issues are coming. So we have crossed the ORR, the Outer Ring Road, and towards airport, and towards this route goes towards the Srisailam. I like solo rides, just me and my bike and the road. Like there is no dependency, right? I can go as fast as I want, I can go as slow as I want. Like basically I can take my own time to reach the destination. But today's it is like 100 200 kilometers, 200 plus almost. So my first pit stop will be the breakfast point, that is the BJR food center. That is one like positive point, staying in the like the riding groups. People can give you small things which will would say experience better when they know what all things. So in this route also someone suggested check the Vijay Puri Kema, because those things in Bangalore we don't in Hyderabad I think we don't get it. Never heard also Puri Kema. So even someone gave me like towards the reservoir, the Srisailam reservoir, like there are hairpin bends and you can the views will be very good. I saw some videos here and there. Let's see. I'm having the drone. I need to start it. I need to pair it with my this phone and I need to use it. I'm not using it for now. Comment down below like how is the view. I kept it in single lens. Sit. And 4K 30 ultra wide. Hope it is recording the way I wanted. I need to check. Should not be any humps. Anyhow, suspension is a gem, but I need to be still be prepared for small things. good weather, yaar, good weather. View is also good. So another 3 kilometer to that Bezier food center. I was just maintaining 100 to 110, and this Bezier food center was almost 90 plus kilometer, and I covered it within 1 hour 30 minutes. Yeah, started around 6, and in between it took some time because traffic was there within the city, and on highways I was maintaining my 100 110. So it's currently 7:40. Temperature is 26 to 1 degree increased, but it's pretty good here. Like a slow cold breeze is coming. It's pretty good. PVR, yeah, VZR. So that is it. Let's try the puri keema. The reason why I came here. Let's stop the recording and let's see how the taste is.